Hello everyone, this is me Mehdi Shakil and you are watching SSTec tutorial. So guys, in today's video I'm going to show you that how you can block unknown Wi-Fi user or unwanted Wi-Fi user from your router. Here you can see on my browser I had logged into my router admin panel and here I have all the devices connected with my network. So now in this video I'm going to show you that how you can block it. You can easily block it using the Wi-Fi admin panel. If I go to advanced, then from here go to security, go to access control and enable access control. Now you can add different types of device from this list to your block list. And if once you add all of them, they will not be able to use Wi-Fi connection from your router. But there is another easy option to do that, and that is using your mobile phone. So now let me show you how you can do that with the mobile phone. Now first of all, if you are using TP-Link router, then you have to download an application called TP-Link Threader. For this, open up your Play Store and search here for an application called TP-Link. Then you will get the TP-Link Threader application. Install this app on your mobile phone. Then open that application, accept the license agreement, then click on continue. Then now if you don't have any TP-Link ID, you have to press on create a TP-Link ID. I had already created ID, so I'm going to click on login. Then here I have to log in with my credentials and tap on login. And guys, here you can see this is my Wi-Fi router, which is automatically detected to my TP-Link ID. Now after that, tap on your router and it will try to log in to router admin panel. And guys, from here you will get an option called clients. Tap on it. And here you will see all the devices connected with your router. You can see the online clients. Also you can see the offline clients, all the devices that connect with your router. Now if you want to block any of the device, let's say I'm going to block this device, this Xiaomi device. I'm going to tap on it. Then from here I'm going to tap block. Then block. Now that device cannot use Wi-Fi or internet connectivity from my router. Also, if you want to unblock it, you can unblock it very easily. So guys, like this, you can easily block any unwanted or unknown devices that connect to your Wi-Fi and eat all of your bandwidth. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching.